So this next trick is called a trapeze whip. If you were having trouble with the trick before this, which was the triangle laceration, practice this one first. I might have put it first. The reason I kept the other one separate was I wanted to put it with the triangle that we were practicing earlier, because I felt it was important that you learn that step. But if you're not getting to practice this one, as I mentioned. The trick looks like this. It's cool looking. The string just whips around in midair and grabs the yo-yo. You can do it twice like we were doing before with the wrist whips. It's really smooth looking. Shoots right around and catches the yo-yo. Let me show you what's actually going on here. The string is being whipped over the pointer finger. You see the string coming over. That's the string that's actually whipping the yo-yo, like so. The string is coming underneath. What you want to do is take your right hand and whip the entire string over. Creates two segments actually. You'll notice what happens is as it's coming over, you have this loop that shoots over. This loop is coming over the pointer finger like so, and this is what comes over and catches the yo-yo like that. Let me show you again. I'm taking my throw hand and whipping it towards my fingers. You want to create that loop. That's what's catching the yo-yo like so. Whips over the fingers. The other tip is to bring that yo-yo as close to your pointer finger as possible. The closer you bring it to your non-throw hand pointer finger, the more likely you're going to be able to hit it, and the better you can really guide those strings into the yo-yo groove. Make a nice big swing motion so you can get that string shooting around the pointer, and that's going to help you bring it really close to hitting that. One more time from this angle. This is a trapeze whip. Whips right into a trapeze. The dismount for this trick looks like so. Once you've hit the trick, what you want to do is unravel once. You're going to have the string kind of crossed. Just take your throw hand and bring it under the yo-yo. You'll be all set to go. Just like so.